Help messages can be set in WP Fluent Form to make your forms more understandable to audience. Go to Input Customization of the input field you want help messages to be displayed for. Go to Advanced Options. Set the help message as required. Save the form. Help messages can be positioned and presented in different ways. Go to Settings, Form Settings, and then Form Layout. In Help Message Placement option, choose your preference. The side label shows the help message as a tooltip. Choosing Below Input Fields will show the help message below the blank input field, not as a placeholder. Choosing Focus on the element presents the help message only when that particular field is selected. Click Save Settings when you're done with the customization.